Modern elegance surrounds you upon entering the Marabella through its stunning interior courtyard. Natural light shines through the spacious family room. This area, plus the gorgeous open kitchen and dining area, combine to create the heart of this magnificent home. The kitchen features hardwood cabinets and a center island with a breakfast bar. The serene study offers a quiet place to read or use the computer. The dramatic floor plan offers 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms with a breathtaking owner's suite. The owner's bath features his and her sinks, a garden tub, an enclosed shower, and an enormous walk-in closet. This is sure to become the part of your home you'll never want to share. Going up a grand staircase to the second floor, your family will enjoy the remaining 3 private guest bedrooms. The bonus or game room maximizes the comfort of your beautiful new Florida home. Step outside and enjoy the outdoor covered patio with extensive pool and lounge areas. This space is sure to create a whole new meaning to Florida living. The Marabella is modern elegance at its finest.